Right, so for today's lesson we need to be able to calculate the area of a triangle. Most of you will have seen this before, so it'll just be a little bit of extra practice, so apologise if you haven't. Hopefully you find all the stuff on sine and cosine rule okay, this is just an extension from that. So we have got area of a triangle is half AB sine C. That is the formula that you are going to be using. So we'll just have a little look at example 8. So the angle is always the C. So if you have the angle and you have the two sides either side of it, you have got what you need. So basic questions will just be, there's the angle and there are the two sides. So if you wanted to rename it, you could do, but you can just put it in as a half times 4.2 times 6.9 times sine 75 degrees. So as long as you have got the two sides either side of the angle. If you had to find one of these sides, you'd have to use sine or cosine rule first and then use this. So that gives you an answer of 14.0 centimetres squared, and that's the three significant figures. So remember, you need the two sides either side of the angle. Right, on this question here we are told that AB is 5 centimetres, we are told that BC is 6 centimetres, and we are told the angle is X. That's what we're trying to find. We are told that the triangle has an area of 12 centimetres squared. AC is the longest side. So I'm going to draw a triangle. That's the angle we're trying to find. That looks like the longest side, so that's a good start. So if I call that, I'm not going to actually label it A, B and C because sometimes we can get confused with that. So if that side there is AB, that's 5 centimetres, AB. BC is 6 centimetres. ABC is X. Area is 12. So you can put those on or not put them on, it's completely up to you. Sometimes putting them on confuses you or you want to change them. That is completely up to you. Have we got the two sides that are either side of the angle? Yes, we have. So we can use area equals half AB sine C. So we know A is 5, we know B is 6, so half times 5 times 6 times sine, well, call that C, is X. We don't know what that is, but we know that it equals 12 from the question. So we're just going to have to rearrange it. 5 times 6 is 30, half it is 15, so it's 15 times sine X. So I will divide by 15. I then do sine to minus 1 of 12 over 15, giving an answer of 127 degrees to 3 significant figures. So it's just about working backwards. Again, you must have the two sides either side of the angle.